In this lesson, students are going to practice from a teacher exemplar how to color code the multi-paragraph essay. Before using this lesson, be sure to lead your students through how to move from a shorter and longer paragraph into the multi-paragraph essay format. I wrote this essay for my students as an exemplar for them to look at. Each of the students will be reproducing their own essay after a few weeks of research and other writing techniques that they learn, but this gives them an idea of where they're going and allows them to practice the color coding. The first thing to look for is the topic sentence or topic sentences in this case, since it's a little bit longer. Allow time for the students to look for it themselves, but do color code at the same time so that students don't color code it wrong and get the wrong idea. Once the topic sentence or sentences are found, show students how coming up to that is the blues lead-in. And in this paragraph, I use a certain type of blues lead-in that is instructed in another lesson of Step Up to Writing. I think the next best step is to help students find the transition word or phrases for the paragraphs. And this is a great activity because at the middle school level, students can move into hidden transitions, which make it a little more difficult for them to write, but also improves their writing a great deal. In this paragraph, leader or leadership is the transition word or phrase. And so after discussion with the class, you can look for those words together. Kind of go together there, and mark that entire sentence as a transition sentence. Talk together with your students about what is included in the pink portion of the paragraph, again stressing the ease of Step Up to Writing, and talk through how it's nice to have a variety of the details in each paragraph, so that students can try different of the techniques on their own and can come up with a higher level of writing. Lastly, take time to look at the conclusion and talk with the students about how a summary conclusion can be a great tool, but into the middle school and high school level, it's important to use other styles of conclusion and talk together about what type of conclusion they think is in your exemplar, and from there teach them in other lessons about writing a higher level conclusion for themselves.